Pick your head up. And a little pressure here and here. Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Dr. Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor, and I'm here with Miss James. How are you doing today, Miss James?
Good, how are you?
And how did you find out about me?
Instagram.
Instagram. Yeah. Our Instagram handle is at Dr. Howell or Atlanta's mobile chiropractor. And when was the last time you got adjusted?
That was probably back in 2021. Yeah, or like 2020 or 2021. I can't even remember. I used.
All right. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to feel me pull your leg just a little bit.
Okay.
All right. So what I'd like for you to do is you're going to lift this leg
This
from
one?
here up off the table.
Okay.
Good. And back down. And then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other?
Seems like this one is a little bit more difficult.
So you're going to feel this bottom piece pop up.
Okay.
It's going to drop. Deep breath in, all the way out. And one more time. All right, lift this one first. All right, and then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
Oh yeah, this one it's better.
Better?
Yeah.
Here we go, one more time. Deep breath in and out. Okay. All right, so you can give yourself a soft tug. Scoot your hips a little closer to me. All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to lean back. Look at the table. Just like that. And for a little bit of a pull here, okay? Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. All right, flip over to the side. Straighten the bottom leg up. I'll pull you a little closer to me. So you're not going to fall.
Okay.
You're not going to fall. So, put that back on me. All right, please, right there. Yeah.
That was nice. That felt good.
Good. Yeah. So you mentioned you have a slight scoliosis.
I do.
So individuals who have scoliosis, you want to be careful on what side of the curve that you adjust. You don't want to jam the facets in. All right, take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Let it go. Good job. Pick your head up. Bring it down. One more time. Deep breath in. Out. There we go. Beautiful. Pick your head up. And a little pressure here and here, all right? Let it go. All right, pick your head up. And over. A little pressure here, okay? Deep breath in. All the way out. Move that left foot.
Okay.
Good. I'm gonna get you sitting up on that one.
Okay.
And face the glass.
Yeah, it is something with it.
Let your head fall. Let it go.
Oh, that was nice.
We're good. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna adjust your ears, okay?
Ooh.
Adjust it.
No, that's what I do.
So what's gonna happen is when I say 3, you're just gonna kind of let your head fall like that towards me. Okay.
So towards you.
Okay. All right, let it fall. Okay. So you may hear a popping noise, a whooshing noise, or you may hear like a draining sensation later.
Okay.
Do you have allergies?
I do.
Yeah. All right, let it go. There we go. All right, you're gonna interlace your fingers behind your head. My arms are gonna go through here, okay?
Okay.
All right, follow me.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Big stretch all the way out. All right, one more time, deep breath in.
Okay.
All the way out. Look up for me, look up. There we go. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, last but not least, go to lay on your back. It's a very zen environment in here.
Yeah, it's nice. Thank you.
Is that your doing or your dad's
My
doing?
dad.
Okay. All right, let it go.
Definitely like good stories growing up, like keep you like on straight and narrow, like if you were even thinking of doing something.
Right, so you know what, I don't want that.
Exactly.
Sometimes you think that up. It's not real. No, it's not. But in the back of your mind
You're like,
it's probably real.
probably like maybe just a little bit over exaggerated, but no.
Hey, it's close enough. It had to come from somewhere, right?
Yeah.
All good stories came from somewhere. Let's see that other hand. So you off for today?
No, I'm actually just on my lunch break.
Well, we're almost done, so I don't take up your entire lunch break.
Oh, you're fine. This is a perfect way to spend it, honestly. And the nice thing is, since I work from home, I can eat from my desk. Yeah.
Deep breath in. And one more time. All right. We're going to sit up on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand up and walk around. Let's see how you feel.
I feel a lot better.
Say what?
I feel a lot better. It was so tight up here and then like here. Oh yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
All right. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Atlanta's Mobile Chiropractor here. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe so you can see more. Until next time.